Ever felt stuck in like time moves but you don't? You're not lazy. You're just waiting for a spark that only action can ignite. Feeling stuck isn't about weakness, it's about fear. Fear of failure. Fear of being seen. Fear of starting. Across the world, millions feel this same weight. But every great life began the same way. One brave step at a time. The first step to breaking free is honesty. Write your truth. What's holding you back isn't the world. It's the stories you tell yourself. The second step is simple: move. Do one small thing. Progress is born from motion, not perfection. The third step: rebuild your energy. You can't move forward if you're running on empty. Rest, reset, then rise. Momentum doesn't come from miracles. It comes from minutes. One clear minute of courage can change your entire life. They were all stuck once, until they decided to start. And that's the only real difference between staying stuck and breaking free. This is the mindset. Real stories, real drive, real change. We don't just talk about success, and we live it, one choice at a time. Start where you are, use what you have, become who you're meant to be. 6 months later, the same people who felt frozen now move with purpose. The person at the cluttered desk, they launched their business. The entrepreneur in Chicago secured their first major client. The student in Lagos graduated with honors. The artist in Mumbai sold their first piece. 3 steps: get honest, take action, rebuild your energy. The formula works because it's simple, and simplicity is what moves mountains. Your transformation doesn't happen overnight, it happens one day at a time. Every expert was once a beginner. Every success story started with someone feeling exactly like you do right now. This is the mindset. We believe in the power of small steps and consistent action. We believe that feeling stuck is not your permanent address, it's just where you're visiting. Your breakthrough is waiting. Not tomorrow, not next week, right now. Take the first step. Write your truth, move your body, trust the process. The world needs what you have to offer, but first you need to believe it yourself. This is the mindset. Real people, real change, real results. Your story starts now. Subscribe for more stories of transformation. Your breakthrough begins today.